Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda had said that the government should conduct a judicial inquiry into the lathi charge in Karnal. He said that democracy cannot be allowed to turn into a lattantra. A rocket struck a house close to Kabul airport on Sunday afternoon, killing a child separately. A airstrike targeted a vehicle carrying a suicide bomber who was wanted to attack the airport, the Taliban said. US President Joe Biden earlier said his military commanders informed. Silverstone Quartaro closed in on his first MotoGP World Championship by ramping to his fifth victory of the season at the British Grand Prix to stretch his lead in the championship standings to 65 points. Indian Railways has set the ball rolling for manufacturing 100 Vande Bharat Express train sets by March 2024. PM Narendra Modi had in his Independence Day speech announced that 75 Vande Bharat trains will conduct major towns by 15 August 2023. Starting October 1, 2021, green card applicants are required to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 in order to clear their immigration medical exam and obtain permanent residence. A Taliban fighter shot dead an Afghan folk singer in a restrictive mountain province under unclear circumstances, his family said Sunday. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Sunday condemned the armed force effective behavior during the Indian-China border standoff, adding that security forces have once again proved that they are committed to face any time to ensure national security. State government moved Supreme Court in an appeal against a Bombay High Court order that upheld Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari's power during President rules in November 2019 to approve payment to a road contractor. US President Joe Biden was heading to Dover Air Force Base on Sunday to honor members of the US military killed in a suicide bomb attack during the evacuation of civilians from Kabul airport last week. Siddhant Kapoor shared screen space with megastar Amitabh Bachchan in the recently released Chehre. He called it an incredible and unbelievable experience working with the icon.